Create, configure, and manage badges on YoGigs. In this demo, we'll walk you through how badges are created, configured, and purchased, so you can fully understand how this feature helps boost visibility, trust, and overall platform engagement. First off, click on Badges to access the Badges Management section for your account. Next, click on Badges to access badge management and view available badge options. Following this, click the Add button to create a new badge for your system. From here, enter a unique identifier for the badge in this required field. Then select Freelancer from the For User Type drop-down menu. Next, enter the badge price amount in the Badge Price field to set cost. Following that, enter the points value in the Points field to set badge rewards. Then click the Save Changes button to apply the badge configuration updates. From here, enter a detailed description for the badge in the text field. Click Save Changes to apply the badge description updates to the system. Now click Choose File to upload a badge icon image for your profile. The file has been successfully uploaded. Now we log into Freelancer Dashboard. We go to the Badges Management section, select a preferred badge, and click Buy Now to purchase it. From here, click Confirm Payment to complete your order and finalize the transaction. Following that, click the Go to Order button to return to your dashboard. Following this, click on Badges User Request to manage user badge assignments and requests. Then click the eye icon to view or toggle visibility of the badge details. Next up, click the Status dropdown to select Approved or Rejected option. To conclude, click the Update button to save the badge user status change. Enjoyed the guided demo of the YoGigs badge feature?